Okay.
Steven, these girls are flirting with you.
Rewind it so Tony can see it.
Look, Tony, you want to watch something funny?
Oh yeah. Obviously, they haven't met you.
Well, like all the accessories where you can hook yours up to the computer and it's got the CD-ROM thing for it to download and all that. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes and no. No, there wasn't the CD-ROM that came with.
Right. How much did that cost? Do you remember?
The FireWire. The FireWire is the thing that allows you to download your photographs
Right.
like that. I guess there's another way to do it though, from what I'm told.
Like.
Okay. Call him Nubby. My name is Nub.
Master!
They'll spin them all around.
That's a big nose. My head hurts. It comes to a point right here. Can you see it? Oh, it hurts so bad. I got it stuck in the door. Can you help me, doctor? I can't wear any hats. People keep calling me Pinhead. Can you please?
I can't wear any hats.
Oh my God. My head.
Got a splitting
My
eye.
head just got smashed by a pan. Can you help me? I think it's inside out.
You look like Chubby right there.
Oh, I feel it turning the rest of the way inside out. You what?
Touch it with your hand.
Oh my. It hurts.
Can you record it while he's doing that?
It hurts right in here. It's like. Let me tell you something. Hold on, folks. Stand back. Everybody, stand back. Can you please? Can we pray? Can we? Wax on. Wax off. Oh my hand. Oh, it feels like it's throbbing in and out like this. My eyes have never been the same. Hey, what did you say over there? Hey, you guys.
It just jumped
All around me, I feel surrounded.
It just jumped cheer.
Oh my God.
Oh.
That's so funny.
Anyhow, what were we talking about?
Oh, the.
The FireWire.
Yeah.
I priced it out one place for like $50. Where were we? Circuit City or something.
Okay.
How
about all this stuff?
And it's the.
So you
I don't understand it. There's a couple ways to do it.
Look.
You and the brow.
They call me No Chin.
I need some help.
My eyeballs. Where? There they are. Hey, they call me Buttface.
There's a giant hole in my head.
Oh.
Oh man.
Where's your?
Look down. Look. Open your eye. Now look
That's
down.
cool.
Look down. There you go.
Oh,
That was good. It separates.
That looked like that eye on Men in Black,
Oh, yeah.
where he blinked and then he blinked sideways or something.
That's how they did it. How we know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Look
one.
down.
Ooh.
Which side is it? This side?
Split. Yeah.
Or this side?
No, it's the other one.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that one.
Wow.
So what I do on this side isn't even on?
Right.
No, like,
Right.
when you look away,
Ooh, what the heck is that?
it splits the eyeball now.
That's a trip.
Was that smell?
That's onion, man.
Might have been.
Rich in onions. God.
Ooh. Jeez, I hate to smell it comes out the other
Hey, look, it's a
way.
chair.
Trouble.
Look at the chair.
It's a chair. Sit in the chair, baby.
What is
The
that?
new spider. Crawled up the wall. Sat on the speakers.
And had a great fall.
Ooh. What a trip. That looks like a trippy bug.
It does. Look at that.
Oh.
Down here.
How do I get TT out here? There. Oh.
Hey, what was that?
The big moon. What is that? It looks like an upside down face.
No neck. No neck.
Like an old lady.
Look, it looks like.
Look, bring it in closer.
Wow, wow,
Like, zoom in.
wow, 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 wow.
There you go.
Uh-oh, disappearing.
Come on
Is
out.
that your panties?
Look, I'm sitting.
Ooh, that looked weird. Whoa! Gross looking.
That's a butthead.
Where'd you go? That's how they do it. Magic tricks, man.
Yeah, that's
They make
what
them
I'm telling you.
disappear.
If you can find a wall with lines on it, that's how you'll make people all of a sudden appear.
Make them disappear.
Ooh.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa! Check it out, Uncle Nick.
Ooh.
How you do that?
Bing, 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 bing.
There you go. Yeah, that's it.
And all this stuff is hidden. I didn't even know there was a
Ooh, no head. Look.
Oh! Oh, no way.
Oh, that is funny. How the heck did you do that? Oh, you're doing that now, Terry?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, don't do that.
Hey, everyone pick the football.
Woo woo.
Do something
That
with
is
your right arm, Mom.
funny. Do what?
Do something. Hold on.
Let me get it up on.
You don't have to move it up.
Oh man. Yeah. That's the best.
How skinny I am. Don't do nothing with your other hand?
It doesn't show up.
Oh.
Where's your head?
This woman.
Where's your head?
It's gone. It's gone.
I got.
Scratch your neck.
Really scratch my neck?
No,
What?
your collar right there.
Go get checked.
There you go. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, it just got out of the gym.
Oh wow! Whoa!
Oh.
Look at that! Look at that!
That is funny.
Oh, look.
What's on the bottom? Oh, those are my legs.
Ooh, look, no neck.
No head.
No, she got the head. It's just bare. It's hidden inside.
Drop the towel.
Drop the towel.
Yeah, it'll form.
Wow.
Hi, I gotta pee. I got a wee little head.
I'm a wee
That
little
is
lad.
weird, but I got a nice chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Chicken.
That, you know how they're peaked like this. That is strange.
Look at
I
that.
can take all that stuff off.
Man, that's so funny. That is so funny.
I'm gonna close
Steve
myself
won't
up.
go.
Up
Steve
to
won't go to work for a month. Just playing with that
Ooh,
kid.
look at that. Look
That's
like,
like a kaleidoscope.
yeah, it looked like you turned inside out.
Ooh.
Now turn back in the other way.
Yeah, turn back the other way.
Like you're.
Now, what do I have to move in order to my elbow? No?
And that's how they do it now.
This part here?
Whoa!
Oh, do that again.
He's doing that.
Tap your belly.
No, you did it where your hand came out. Yeah. See, it looks like your hand's coming out.
Oh.
Hold like you hold it up.
That is weird.
That's exactly do like he's holding on.
Look at.
Hey, hey guys.
One eye. Well, that's funny.
Unibrow.
Hey. Oh, because you're closer.
Brain!
The brain.
Now we know how Jay Leno does it. Ask Jay Leno questions. Ask Jay Leno questions. You idiots! No, you idiots! Oh, it hurts.
That was great.
Whoa.
Steve, you turn it out.
Whoa, look at that! His head detached from the rest of his body.
Look at his ears. Look, he's got a skinny neck.
Gills.
Oh, that's scary. Look
Yeah,
at
that's
the
the one I
neck.
was talking about.
Yeah.
That's where you put the fire wire. Did they give you a fire wire?
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh, to make more, you gotta move.
I was just wondering how much
Okay,
that
now-
stuff was gonna cost.
Well, the fire wire's real
I know.
expensive.
How about the program though?
How are you?
Well, you don't have to use that
that's how
program.
Jay
but,
Leno does it like that. Oh, God, look at that.
Photographs in
Look,
any-
there's-
Oh, Nick.
What do you mean?
Has everybody...
Let me sit.
That's too
It
fair.
hurts when I laugh.
That's total beaker.
Oh, that is so... Kiss yourself.
Hey, what are you doing?
No, you're too far.
Too far. Too close.
No, back out.
Too close.
Right
Now talk.
there.
Yeah.
Now talk.
What's up, baby?
Now reach your lips way out there and kiss. Way.
Give me a little tongue.
Did you see that person lick me?
How did you... Can you freeze that like he does the other thing?
One eyebrow.
Peekaboo!
One
take a
eye,
snapshot.
flying purple people eater.
Yeah, the CD is probably
How close can you get your eyes?
just a photograph program
Look at his hair.
that you
Look
can
at his hair.
put them into like a
Well,
library
that looks
of photographs
disgusting.
and put on
Oh.
like Christmas movies and stuff like that. Sure it is.
God.
Something else. And print
That
in
looks
there as well.
obscene.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
My chin.
You got a chin? 1, 2.
They call me Fat Rabbit.
You got any cookies?
The nose.
I wish I had a nose.
Breathing is so much easier for you people with noses.
Noses smell good.
Oh, there's a heart. Look at his mouth. No,
That
what's
is a
a
total
heart?
pinhead.
That one too, if I like that.
Lick the nose that you don't
Oh, whoa!
Lick your nose.
Oh, look at that.
Woo.
I freaked out here.
Oh, look at that. That's your finger. I'll be darned. Oh, that's too much. Can you film that? Can you get it? Yeah, did you get the
What's that
picture?
for?
Like,
Takes 9 different
look
photos.
at that huge.
So you can print it out and cut it up like
Oh,
walls.
Lord, that's scary.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's the only time
Go
your
back
face
through
will be
it.
perfectly shaped on both
Do like
sides.
clean up.
Yeah. Same hairstyle.
Same cut to the
Another one that was in this print.
hair.
So you can frame
You're
it.
disgusting.
Yuck, Steven.
Cut it out.
It's like a snake.
Oh!
Whoa. Ow. Uh-oh.
When you turn your head
There's a
really
little
forward.
lady.
Do what?
How do you get your forearms up there?
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, wow.
crushed his head.
I know.
Pull on your ears. Pull on your ears. It'll make your head go.
That's good.
Oh, that's too much. What do you want to do?
Ta-da!
Number 1.
Make his hair appear. Make his head appear with your hand, Steven. Wait, no, get back.
And he appear on his belly.
Put your hand there. Wait, let his hand get in there first.
What are you gonna
Feet.
do? Ready?
Now hug yourself.
I love myself.
That is straight. Look at that.
See, nothing.
Oh,
As you can see, there's nothing in here.
that's
This area.
weird.
There you go.
In this area, see, there's
Hey,
nothing.
pat your hands. Like, clap. Clap. Yeah, clap the other hands. Yeah, that's really weird.
Push, like push-ups. Oh, jeez.
Oh, check that out. Look at this. Going to open my shirt down my head with this.
Looks like one hand.
Oh, Lord.
That's really 2.
Jim, what are you doing?
It's gonna explode. Oh, yeah!
Oh, Steven, look at Steven.
What is that?
His hand. That's too funny.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, it's his finger.
look at, this is funny. What you gotta do, Jeff, is get rid of your head.
Check that out.
And you get your head down.
What is that?
I don't know, but it's palpitating. You get your head down there on top
Check
of
out the
his
teeth, man.
shirt.
I thought it.
You farted?
Red is green.
This one's gonna be great, man. I think I got this camera just because of that feature. Look, it shows. That's the right half of your body,
Get down there.
so it doesn't show the left half.
No. Tight tushies.
Look, that's all you're doing.
Whoa, she smashed him. Whoa! Push them together. Push those cheeks together.
Pull them out.
Oh. Uh-oh. Disgusting like you did. My nose is pinching. My eyes are pinching. Oh, hey, ouch. Separated at the head.
How we taught
And
him.
you don't even have to make faces either. It does it for you.
I know.
Ooh. Spread out on the bottom.
That's cinematography.
Ooh, kiss yourself.
Cinema took a friggin' in the cinema there.
Oh my god, it's the alien woman attack. Oh my
When
goodness.
freaks attack.
Oh, hello. No, you go now.
You better.
Lily, bye.
Her face is good.
I know so.
Woo-woo.
Oh.
Oh, disgusting.
Oh.
Eyeball to eyeball. Oh, Lordy. She didn't kiss herself yet.
My eyes are too close together.
A unibrow.
Yeah, almost won.
I'm very mad at you right now.
Can we take a smell?
Kiss each
What?
other.